Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to make $100 to $150 a day with Google. So first let me show you guys some results on my Google Adsense account so you can understand how this method works and what need to be done. So you can see here it made $156 yesterday, and in the last 3-4 days we made like $500 on this Adsense account. So we're going to scale this account to a point where it makes like $250 to $500 per day. And I've been doing this for last 1.5 years, and in the last year alone, 2019 alone, we made like $350,000 from just doing this method. You don't have to promote your product, you don't have to worry about conversions. You just send traffic to Google AdSense, and end of the day Google AdSense is going to pay you money. So let me explain how this works. It's something called traffic arbitrage, which means you get traffic for cheaper price and you sell it to Google AdSense for higher price, because Google AdSense is the biggest ad network in this industry right now, and they give you a lot of good CPC. Like for example, for a click you can get around like 50 cents per click on Google AdSense, but you can get a click for 0.02 cents to 0.03 cents from native ads or else from Facebook ads. There are a lot of networks out there where you can buy very high quality and very cheap price clicks from them, and you can sell it to Google AdSense. A lot of websites which does the same exact thing, and they make like $10,000 to $15,000 every single month. So in this video I'm going to show you guys pretty much everything on how to do this and what you need to have. So if you're someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you leave a like on this video and a comment on this video, because I'll be answering all your questions. And do leave a like on this video guys, because it will help me grow on YouTube. Make sure you watch other videos on my channel where I showed like $50,000 in a month from just doing those exact steps. So you can also go ahead and watch that video, and you'll get a lot of information on what I'm doing and how you can replicate this on your business. So first you need an account in Google AdSense, so you can run ads on your website and you can get paid. So go ahead and sign up on Google AdSense. So just type google.com/AdSense and it's going to take you to this page, and you can sign up for Google AdSense account. All you need is a Gmail account guys, nothing more is needed. Just go ahead and sign up for Google AdSense account, and once you sign up, it's going to ask you for a website. So I use Bluehost and GoDaddy for my website hosting, and Bluehost, you can see here it only costs you like $3.95 per month. So you will be going to pay it for a year, and you can get a domain. So once you've done that, they will be offering some free options like you can install WordPress. So in this case we're going to install WordPress on our websites guys, because WordPress is the most easiest way you can optimize, and you can make changes to your website much more easier, so you don't need to learn any coding. And I have added the links in the description. If you're someone who want to sign up to Bluehost, click that link and sign up for Bluehost. It's an affiliate link. I get paid if you sign up to Bluehost. So once you've done that, then we need a theme, and I'll share the themes which is working well for us, and you can also pretty much copy them. So I use newspaper theme, you can see here. You can also buy them for $59 if you're interested. It doesn't mean you should pay for a theme. You can also use free themes, but these themes have a lot of options. That's the reason I spend money on these type of themes. So the second theme is voice. So I'm also using these type of themes on some of my website, and recently I tested them and it's converting much well compared to other free themes. So you can also use them. And the third one is you can see here, you can find this theme on mythemeshop.com. It's a social viral theme. This one. So you can also buy this theme if you're interested and you have the funds to spend it on theme. Go ahead and buy them, or else just use free themes on WordPress collection guys. You don't need to spend money on these type of themes. Once you start making money, then you have the funds to spend it on these type of themes, and all these themes are working well, and you can also copy them. So in the next step I'll show you guys some website which does the same exact thing, and they make like $10,000-$15,000 per month. So once you're done with all the setup, then you can get sign up to AdSense, and you can get AdSense ads on your website. So let me show you guys some website which does this, and they've been very successful on this, and they're making like $20,000 per month. So the first website is Health and Human Research, hhtsearch.org. So you can find here they have Google AdSense ads on the top, and on the right side it's a widget. So you can see here they have some text type ads, link type ads, and they have next and previous button. So what they will do is they drive traffic to this website, and people need to go through each pages like this. They need to click on the next button, and they go to each pages like this, and they read the article. So while doing this, people click on ads, because you can see here ads is near to this button, like on the it's above the button, and they have one ad below the button. So people might get confused, and they might click on this one, or else they might click on this one. So they're going to get paid when people click on this. So on average they get around 5 to 10% CTR on their website. So you can see they have a lot of ads on this website, so my guess is they at least going to get like 6 to 8% CTR on this website. Like they send for example, if they send 100 people to this website, at least 8 people is going to click on these ads, so the publisher is going to get paid for the clicks. So this is how these websites make money. So you don't have to worry about the traffic source, because I'll be teaching you guys on this video how to drive traffic and what traffic source you need to use. So let's look at the other websites which does this. So you can see it's one more website which does this exact thing, and they promote viral type articles. Like you can see 5 easy steps to update your fall skincare routine, like skincare or else dogs, pets. They do some general type articles. You can also copy them, like just go ahead and look at the website and try to find some winning articles and try to replicate the article. Like you can hire someone and you can write it. So I'll show you some websites where you can hire people to write your content. So you can see they have the same type of ad settings, and they have an ad about the fold, and they have one on the right side. So you need to focus on mobile, because majority of traffic is going to come on mobile. So let's look at where they place their ads on mobile. So let me change this to iPhone, refresh this. So you can see they have an ad on the above the fold. So this is the exact placement you need to copy, because these type of placements will increase your CTR. That's the reason they have tested a lot, because look at this website. They have a lot of traffic. Like you can see they sent like 6 million people in the last couple of months. And I don't want you guys to reinvent the wheel. Just pretty much copy the exact layout and exact ad placements they have, because it's working. That's the reason they're having, and they're still making profit. So try to have a big square ad above the fold, below the title, so it works well. I have tested this on my sites, and you can also copy that. So if you have options to link type ads, then go ahead and place one below the image. Sometimes some ad accounts won't have these options, so that's cool. And try to have a same square ad below the above the button, and one link type ad below the button. So it will increase your CTR, because you can see here sometimes people get confused, and instead of clicking next button, they might click on these buttons. So let's also look at the website. So you can see here eternallifestyle.com. you can also follow them, and you can see here betterme.guru. So they have a lot of animated images. Like you can see these type of images will get you a lot of CTR on Facebook ads or else on Taboola. So try to create ad copy like this, and increase your CTR on the ad images. So you can copy this website, and you can see like pretty much they have a lot of health related articles, and mostly Adsense will pay like 10 to 15, 20 cents, 30 cents on these type of articles. You can also copy a lot of articles from this website, but don't copy paste the articles. Try to write your own articles, or else hire someone to rewrite it for you. So these are some websites. So I use to rewrite my content. So you can see here Content Development Pros and iWriter. So they charge $10 to $20 per article, but it's worth it, guys, because some of my articles on ad accounts was making me like $10,000, $20,000 in a year. It's worth spending $20, guys. So let's talk about how we're going to drive traffic to the website. So in this case, we're going to talk about Facebook ads, because you can see here, like I still use Facebook ads, and you can see here in the last couple of months, I have driven like 16,000 clicks for like 0.03 cents. People say that it's extremely tough to drive traffic from Facebook, but still this is the proof, guys. Like you can still drive a lot of clicks from Facebook for 0.03 cents. So pretty much all this traffic came from tier 1 country, not tier 2 countries or not tier 3 countries. Pretty much everything, all clicks came from United States, United Kingdom and Australia. So you can also test them, and so let me show you guys how to create the ad. So what you need to do is just click on create, and you need to click on traffic, and just turn off the campaign budget optimization, click on continue. So websites, and what you need to do is remove the location and change it to United States. Canada, Kingdom. And once you've done that, just go ahead and change the age range to 30 plus, 30 plus to 65 plus, and gender, it's totally depend on the article. Like if it's some skincare or those type of articles promoted to women's, if it's not something related to skincare or something, if it's just about health, then leave it as all gender. If it's men targeted article, just target men's. It's totally up to the article and detail targeting. So let's click on that. So we need to be very broad. Like if we're going to do health related articles, just type health, guys. So health magazine, healthcare, health and wellness. So let's go with health and wellness. So let's go ahead and change the manual placements, and we don't need Instagram, just remove Instagram and leave everything as it is. And once you've done that, just go ahead and change this to link clicks. And so we're going to test with $5. If you have the budget, go ahead and test with $10 or $15. That's not a problem. So go to the next page. So once you select your page, then you need to promote the article. So you can create your article, or else you can post it on your page and you can promote it here. That's totally up to you. So let's promote this article, the benefits of vitamin B for skin. So you can see here they have a lot of images, and what you need to do is just rewrite this and split this by pages, and you can use them. So let's go ahead and paste the name here. So this is going to be our primary text, the benefits of vitamin B for the skin, and we're going to use this URL. So let's place it here, and we need to change this to learn more. So you can see here it automatically pops up the image from the website. So you can also use this image, because this type of images will convert well compared to some normal type images on Facebook, because these type of images will attract instantly. So that's the reason you need to use these type of images, because the CTR is very important on Facebook. Like you need to maintain about 10%, guys. It's all about the CTR. So like I've been telling this for long times, because CTR is everything. When you have very high CTR on your ad image, your cost per clicks will go down. So that's the reason. Try to use some attractive images like this, and I can see up the benefits of vitamin B, and they have a link. You can also write something if you are someone who's good in writing content. Try to write some hook, like the benefits of vitamin B that can change your skin, or something like that. So it will increase the click-through on the link. So once you've done that, just go ahead and review it and confirm it. So once you've done that, they will review the campaign, and they will approve your campaign, and traffic will start to come to your website. So this is the exact steps I took when I started doing this, and right now I'm making like $200 to $500 every single day. So for traffic source, you don't only need to use Facebook, you can also use some native ad networks also. So if you're someone who's interested in using native ads, just go ahead and watch this video, how to make $100 per day on AdSense with native ads. So I have explained how to use Taboola for traffic source. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I really appreciate that. And make sure you leave a like on this video, because I'll be making more videos like this. And see you guys in the next video.